Morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I've looked forward to and have enjoyed reading your essays. It is time to put the stamp on the essay and call it done. So today there will be some time to work on your essay, but I really need you to move on to our first read as soon as possible, which you will be doing independently today. All right, so first, the do now. I need everybody to do their do nows. Yesterday, some of you did not submit your do now in Schoology. This is a homework grade. It grades it immediately. So today, I need you to do your do nows. Yesterday's do now was 12:14. Today's do now is 12:15. These do nows help you practice inferring, which is a skill that you will use every day in this class, so it is very helpful for you to do these. All right, today our objective is to participate in a first read. If you're not able to get this first read done during class because you're finishing your essay, I need you to find time to get it done on your own. There will be a little bit of makeup time next week, but it is time to move on, friends. So again, today you will participate in a first read so that you can identify key events. You will know you have it when you have annotated your text, and I'm going to give you an annotation guide, and you have answered your comprehension questions. Now, some of you have said that you want to unsubmit your essay to make changes. If you would like me to unsubmit, I have to do that on my end. I need you to send me a message. So, here is a new skill. To send a message, there's a couple of ways to do this. One way is to go to Schoology, to click on Members, and then to click on my name, and you can send me a message that way. Another way to send me a message is up here at the top. You click the new message, and then you will put my name, Rachel.Amezcua. Theoretically, it'll come up. It should come up. Obviously, I can't. There I am. So put in Amezcua, A-M-E-S-C-U-A. And that's my son. He's not here anymore, though. He's in another district. But you will click on this, and then you will send me a message. And when it pops up, I will unsubmit your essay. So again, if you want me to unsubmit, you need to send me a message to unsubmit. To unsubmit, the easiest way, click the little envelope, new message. Let's get in here so y'all know how to spell my name. A-M-E-S-C-U-A. And that is me. So if you have any other questions or needs or concerns, you can also message me whenever you need to, and I will respond to you. When you get messages from me, it's going to show up here, this little yellow thing right here. So notice, looks like I have some messages. So Lizzie sent me a message. I have a few other people that have sent me messages. This was from last spring from a student named Selvin. So make sure you're, if you want me to unsubmit, I need you to send me a message. All right, so now, today's agenda. Do now, write objective, finish essay. Please don't take a long time on this. I'm going to give you, at the most, 25 minutes in class, and then I need you to move on to your first read. Your first read should take about the rest of the period, so maybe 15 minutes to annotate and maybe another 10 minutes, give or take, to do the comprehension questions. So today's first read, you are going to actually read from Anne Frank's diary. So you got to read the play, which is based on Anne Frank's diary. Now you're going to read her own words from her book. So in your text, you are going to go to pages 213 to 216. To annotate your text, I've given you an annotation guide. So you're going to circle the who, circle the where, underline the most important events. So what happened that you want to remember, the most important things. If you have a question about something, something is unclear or a word is unclear, you put a question mark. And then things that you think you should remember that you think are important, you'll put a star or an asterisk. After you're done annotating, you will do the comprehension check on page 217. Now, here's another new thing. I have put the audio in your Schoology page. So if you go to your Schoology page, this is the audio. So you can get some headphones or use your own headphones and you can listen to the audio while you are annotating your text. That way you work at your own pace. So here's the audio, here's the background. So I will go over the background really quick. Otto Frank was the only member of the Frank family to survive the concentration camps. So I'm going to model here. Otto Frank is a who. Was the only member of the Frank family to survive the concentration camps. That's a what happened. So only member to survive. He discovered his daughter Anne's diary had been salvaged by Miep Geiss, a close friend who had been a great help to the family during their time in hiding. He decided to publish Anne's diary as a way to honor her memory and share her story to the world. Okay, so another who is Miep. What did she do? She salvaged the diary. Another where would be concentration camps. Remember, our question is how do we honor events of the past through literature? So I would star that as a connection to our essential question, that the diary was published to honor her memory and share her story. So I would like you to go through in your book and annotate. All right. We might look at annotating on the computer in the future, but let's just stick with the book today. All right, so again, we're at about 8 minutes. I try to keep these videos short. I am going to put this video into Schoology, so if you want to go back and look at it, revisit it, because I gave you some different skills to do today, you're welcome to do so. So have a great Friday, and I hope you have an awesome weekend. Bye-bye.